Hi guys, I'm currently using the green Alpine loop for Apple Watch Ultra, and this is the S size, and my hand is 160 millimeters, so this fits my hands pretty well. However, some fans comment on the YouTube saying that it's better to get the L size of the Alpine loop so that you can have a dual band using this side as the outside for the band. So today we're going to unbox the Starlight version of the Alpine loop, and this one is the L size. Let's take a look. This band is $100 and let's unbox it. Wow. Okay, let's put the Starlight Alpine loop L size onto the Apple Watch Ultra. This Alpine loop is pretty long, so it's pretty good that we can lock it over here. So the G-hook is over here. So here we have a continuous surface without any metal clutch, which is a big feature. Let me explain. This is my MacBook Pro, and this band solved my issue. So as you can see this without a metal clutch, here we can put it on our MacBook without slamming the titanium G-hook onto our aluminum MacBook Pro. Here we can use a Starlight loop and place it on the MacBook. It's so smooth and feels so good, which is really nice. And here it uses all the inside loop. It continuously makes this watch band look awesome. Because some fans probably hate the look of this band, like it's cluttered, so they probably don't like it. So here you place it on, it's a whole smooth surface. It feels really good. So here is the unboxing of the Starlight Alpine loop L size. See you later.